Sunday. Did you sleep last night? How long did you sleep?
7 hours.
Okay. Have you been seeing a doctor or dentist lately? And do you have any problems with your eyes? Have you had anything to drink today?
Just a little bit.
A little bit of what?
I had like 1 beer at the party.
And how long ago was that?
Like 30 minutes.
Just 1 beer 30 minutes ago? Have you had anything else to drink?
Just a little bit. We took like some shots, but not a lot. I'm okay.
How many shots did you take?
Like 2 or 3.
Of what?
It was, I don't know what it was.
Okay. I'm going to have you perform a series of field sobriety tests, okay? I'm going to explain each of them to you. If you have any questions at any time, ask, okay? So the first test is an eye test. I want you to stand with your heels and toes together, your hands down to your side, and I want you to look directly at me. I'm going to move my finger in front of your face approximately 6 times. I want you to follow my finger with your eyes only, okay? I don't want you to move your head. Do you understand? Okay.
Oh, damn.
Moving her head.
There you go.
She's moving her head, yeah.
Ball it up. Ball big circle. Standing just how you are. I want your heels and toes together, your hands down by your side. When I tell you to, I want you to tilt your head all the way back and look directly at the sky, okay? When I tell you to, I want you to close your eyes. When you close your eyes, I want you to count or estimate to 30 seconds in your head, okay? When you think 30 seconds is up, open your eyes and tell me you're done. Do you understand? Okay, hands to your side, look straight up at the sky, close your eyes and begin.
You should have drank that for an coat.
You're done? What did you count to? 5. And how did you get there? By ones or alligator, or how did you get there? 1. Okay, you see this line right here? I want you to walk over to that line for me. I'm going to demonstrate this test for you first, okay? You just sidestep over here. This is a walk and balance test, okay? On this line, I want you to walk as straight as you can. 9 steps, heel to toe. Heel to toe is like this, okay? I want you to keep your hands to your side, walk 9 steps. At the end of that 9 steps, I want you to turn around in any direction you like and walk 9 steps back in the other direction. Do you understand? Okay, go ahead.
Up. Oh, damn.
And the burgundy hat's gay.
Square ass
Look, this guy with his...
Are you done? How many steps did you walk?
9.
Turn around and face my partner, please. Put your hands behind your back.
I know how that feels. She's not drunk.
Remember, that's for DUI and local manslaughter. Come with me.
Manslaughter.
Come on, man.